arrived. Shall we dive in? Yeah, I think we should. Hey everyone, and welcome to the day I've been waiting for over a year, well, about a year now since they first announced the Microsoft Surface Duo. And here we are. I have the Surface Duo right here. Yes, I am in Canada. If you're wondering how did you get it here in Canada, not in America, the answer would be I used Big Apple Buddy. When I got my shipment, we'll talk about the shipment details real quick first. When I got my shipment, I got this nice little card. Thanks for using the Big Apple Buddy, Big Apple Buddy, and it ships to Canada or worldwide, but it also ships to Canada. And I paid $50 for a service fee for them to actually make money, and then I paid around $90 in shipping. When it got here to Canada, I then paid $251.90 in a customs fee for this. So it is quite expensive to ship the Duo out of America. But for me, it's worth it. Alright, so let's get in here and open this up. Nice little tab here, see what this does. Oh, nice. Oh, that is satisfying. Look at that. It just... Oh, just put that aside for now. Honestly, it's super cool seeing a Microsoft product with the Android logo on it. Oh, that's sexy. Alright, here we go. Let's get some nice... forest. There we go. And here it is. Here's the device. So we'll go ahead and lift that out. Oh my god. Here it is. Alright, we'll put this aside for now. And what else have we got in here? If you've seen any of the unboxings before, you know exactly what's in here, but we have an empty box. I'm kidding. Put that just right there. We have the bumper case. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. We'll see. If I use it, I will show you. And we have the SIM ejector tool. Sweet. I'll put that in the box for now. And as well as some instructions. Okay. We'll close that up and use that in a second. We also have the charging brick, I'm assuming this is. Yep, charging brick. There you go, charging brick. Actually, it's kind of nice because it has the fancy flip there, so it's easy to put away and stuff. It's an 18 watt charger, so that's cool. Put that in there as well. Put this aside. Actually, that's empty. We can just throw it away. And we have the actual wire, the cable. Yep, here it is. Sweets cable. Wow, that's a long cable. That feels quality too. I mean, it better be for the price. Wow. Okay, and nothing else in there. Sweet. Throw that away. All right. Personally, this was a very nice unboxing. I mean, that box is nice. I'm gonna actually bring these out and just close up the box for now. And I'm gonna keep this box forever and just put it on my desk and just put it there. All right, we'll put that off to the side there. Okay, and now let's unbox this. Oh, that hinge. Oh, that hinge is... Oh my god. Okay, honestly, from the reviewers that have been saying the hinge is so nice, they're not wrong. That is... Look how big that is in my hands, too. That is sick. Oh. Should we try and hold it up to my ear real quick? You ready? Hello? See, it's perfect because I have big hands. Look at how, I can stretch all the way around it. Oh, that is sexy. That is sexy. Okay, let's turn it on. Ready? That button's kind of stiff. There we go. Oh, oh my. Oh, oh. All right. Now we're gonna go. I'm just gonna go ahead and set this up, and I'll be back in a moment. I think I'm gonna flip it around for this though. So you can see it turns off that screen. Perfect. And I can actually flip it around and double tap this, and now use it over here. See, it is a little bit buggy because it's running the original software that comes with it. All right, I'll set it up and I'll be back in a moment. Checking for updates. All right, so I've gotten this far, and there is updates available for the device, so I'll go ahead and update it. I'm sitting here just installing this software, and I'm in awe of this device. This is amazing. Do you think I can switch the screen? What happens if I open it back up? Oh, that's pretty sweet. Now, what if I fold this? Oh, okay, cool. Fold this one back. It's a little buggy, but like I said, it's because it's running the original software that comes with the device. Yep, so I have a completely white display right now. Hopefully that's not broken. I think it is. I might have to reset it. Look how thin that is. I mean, if I turn this around, like you can't make it any more thin. Ooh. Oh no, that's just my light. Okay, sweet. Anyway, you can't make it any more thin because look at the USB-C. Like it can't be any thinner. So while this is doing a software update, I should probably go over what I would love to see for a second generation Surface Duo, and that is Face ID or Face Windows Hello, really, since it is technically a Surface product. A better camera on it next time, and preferably one on the back, like maybe right here. Or on this side, whatever. That would be nice as well. Not needed because it's like it is a productivity device. It's not really meant to be, you know, taking pictures and all that stuff, but it would be nice. NFC would be nice as well because that way I can use Google Pay, Samsung Pay, whatever. Although it would be Google Pay because this isn't a Samsung device. That would be super nice. And honestly, just a better processor, like a newer processor. Oh, device is restarting. Officially, actually restarting this time. We're gonna add a fingerprint, see how this goes. Perfect. All right, and now we are home. Let's open it up. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Like a little bug there, but anyway, that's super cool. Oh, this is so cool. It's actually got very nice haptic feedback as well, and this is super cool. So now we have settings, your settings on the left, excuse me, and I can touch things like accessibility, and it pops up on the other screen. And then I can change things. If I want to go down, I can go to system, languages and inputs. It's super cool. And if I want to also, I can then just drag it over to this side, and now it's just a single screen. Getting notifications. I can go open a Play Store. Oh, this is sick. Alright, so that is the unboxing of the Surface Duo and a first glance of some apps. I will be back with another video later this week, hopefully, with a full tour of the device. Just wanted to get a quick little unboxing video out. And first impressions. First impressions, the hinge is just... Oh, that... Probably my favorite part is going to be the tent mode. And now I'm tenting. That's super cool. Alright, what we will do real quick though is use the camera. See how that works. Welcome to your camera. I'll just put that there for you. Got it. So, camera's front facing, as you can see, now it's me. Well, I'll take a picture real quick. Alright, and now we're going to flip it around. You ready? And it immediately flipped around. Look at that. Immediately. And if I flip this around now, immediately flipped around. Did you see that? Oh, it's so less buggy than the reviewers. What the software that the reviewers got. This is beautiful. And do you think I can stretch it across both? Oops. Oh, yeah, that's right. So I can take a picture, right? Oops. And then it shows up over here. That's sick. That's super sick. Well, I think that's going to do it for this first impressions video. I will come back later again. I have a class coming in about an hour or so I do have to get going for that. But over the next week, I'll do some testing and I'll make a full review of this video. A full review video, sorry, of this device, using this device, and I can't wait to get into it. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed, and hopefully you are just as excited for this device as I am. Alright guys, I'll see you guys later.